To pair your D2L Brightspace course with your ALEKS course shell, turn on Gradebook syncing and add direct links to your course. We're first going to start in the D2L course shell page, and you're going to toggle over to the content page. On the content page, you're going to go ahead and add a module down this left-hand side menu, and my first module I'm just going to label ALEKS so that my students know that that's where we're going to find that overall ALEKS link to get into their course. Under this ALEKS module, you'll need to add the actual ALEKS tool to link your course, and that's going to be found under existing activities, and you're going to search till you find the external learning tools. On this external learning tools, you can search for the word ALEKS, or you can scroll until you find your ALEKS tool. Yours may be labeled slightly differently than mine. It may just be labeled ALEKS, ALEKS LTIA, ALEKS 1.3, something of that sort. Once you have your tool added to your module here, you're going to go ahead and click on the link to that tool, and it should automatically open up a new tab taking you into ALEKS to sign in and pick your course. If it doesn't automatically open like mine just did, you may need to disable your pop-up blockers. The first question it's going to ask you is if you have an ALEKS instructor account at this institution. Majority of the time you're going to say yes, and you're going to sign into your existing ALEKS account, as either we on our ALEKS team have created it for you or somebody at your institution has likely created it for you. Once you log in, you're going to click continue, and then it's going to ask you one more question. It's going to ask which ALEKS course you'd like to pair with the D2L shell that you started in. It will tell you the name of your LMS course here. Mine is just labeled test course, but you'll have your specific labeling here, so it's easily matched to which existing course from the ALEKS class list here. I have already created my existing ALEKS course, so I'm going to use that drop-down menu and pick the course that I'd like to pair. But if you have not yet created the ALEKS course for the new semester, you can click the new class option to either duplicate an old course or create a new class from scratch. Since I already have my course created, I'm going to use that menu and pick the correct course and click continue. Once I click continue, this next screen is going to show me that I am now securely paired between D2L and ALEKS here, but I need to go to my ALEKS class dashboard to turn on my gradebook syncing. Once you're on your ALEKS class dashboard, you're going to want to head to the Gradebook setup page, either by using the link that appears in this yellow banner, or if the yellow banner does not appear, you can hover over the word Gradebook and click Gradebook Setup in order to get to that Gradebook Setup page to turn on syncing. You'll want to make sure the categories that you have assignments in are weighted in ALEKS Gradebook Setup here, and then you'll scroll down till you'll see this box that says LMS Sync Settings and check it on. You then have some other options here on how and when you want to sync these grades over, either by due date or every time a student submits an assignment. You can also pick from assignment sync which categories you want to come over into D2L. I'm going to pick the module and homework category since that's what I have in my course. And then you can decide whether or not you also want an ALEKS total grade to sync over. And then at the bottom of the screen, you're going to click save. And as soon as you click save, it will start that initial sync over to D2L and start creating those gradebook columns for you. If you accidentally pair the wrong section in ALEKS to the wrong section in D2L, you can always go under Class Administration, Class Summary, and you can unpair this course and start from scratch. The last step of this process is to go back to your D2L tab and go to the content page, and you can add direct links to some of your assignments in ALEKS if you want to. You do not have to do this step, but this step would be to add specific links to specific homework assignments. That way your students don't have to go to your overall ALEKS link and navigate from there. So you can label this next module as needed. I'm just going to label it Chapter 1. And then underneath Chapter 1, I'm going to use my existing activities dropdown to find my ALEKS Deep Link tool this time. And on that Deep Link tool, it's going to list out all of the assignments that you have in ALEKS that you can bring over into D2L. So in this case for Chapter 1, I'm going to pick my homework assignment and my module that go with Chapter 1, and I'm going to click Add, and that will add a direct link to those homework assignments that the students can click on. So now my students can either go to the ALEKS module here and click on that overall ALEKS link and navigate from there, or they can go to their Chapter 1 module and they'll see a link directly to their Chapter 1 homework assignment or their Chapter 1 module that they need to complete.